Difference between teaching and learning. Teaching process has been considered as means. Learning has been considered as the product of this process. In teaching, knowledge is provided. In learning, some knowledge is received. Teaching is a set or group of activities. Learning is the symbol of success or achievement. Teaching is a social process. Learning is an individualized process. Difference between teaching and instruction. Teaching diverts students towards some objective involving interaction. Learning also diverts students towards objective but without interaction. By teaching, cognitive, affective and psychomotor aspects develop. In instruction, development of knowledge aspect is possible. Teaching works for overall development. Instruction works for skill development. Teaching arouses critical thinking. Instruction arouses only thinking. Teaching produces new product. Instruction aims for producing carbon copy or photocopy. Difference between teaching and conditioning. Teaching aims at development of potential. Conditioning aims at modification of behavior and learning of habits. Scope of training is broader. Condition is narrow in shape. Reinforcement in teaching is not necessary. It plays vital role in conditioning. In teaching, curriculum is comprehensive. It is fixed in conditioning. In teaching, qualitative and quantitative techniques are used for evaluation. Evaluation in conditioning is done on the basis of acquisition of habit. Teaching is a broader process with various levels. Conditioning is considered as the lowest level of the entire process of teaching. Difference between teaching and training. Teaching is theoretical. Training is practical. Teaching provides new knowledge. Training helps the already knowledgeable people to learn. Teaching fills mind. Training shapes habit. Teaching is for broader area. Training is for specific area. Teaching lays stress on educational knowledge. Training lays stress on skills and abilities. Teacher provides information, knowledge. Trainer facilitates learning. Teaching is related to subject area. Training is related to functional area. Teacher provides feedback. Training gets feedback from trainer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more videos.